Being a Takealot seller means you need to know how to do every single aspect when it comes to selling on Takealot. And the most important aspect, in my opinion, is replenishing your stock and knowing how to send stock in. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to create a replenishment shipment, which is essentially sending stock to Takealot, as well as booking the couriers and booking it in with the booking portal to ensure that delivery is as smooth as possible and that there's no issues when you are delivering your product to Takealot. So I'm not going to waste any of your time further. Let's get straight into how to create a replenishment order so you can get the most out of your Takealot accounts and get the best chance of getting sales. So the first step you need to do is head over to your Takealot seller portal and log into your Takealot account. So from then, I'm just quickly going to take you guys through the process. So manage my offers. This is where you can see all your offers that are viable and stock that you have at the warehouse. So as you guys can see, I'm currently sold out on the vanilla lavender and I'm also sold out on the unscented version. So what I now want to do is I want to replenish stock and send stock to Takealot so that I can have these products in stock so I can have the best chance of getting a sale. Obviously, you guys can see I have lead time activated on the account, but I don't want to run it on lead time because in stock is just way better. You guys have the best possibility to get a sale. So in stock is definitely the way to go. So the first things first, you got to know what you want to replenish. Okay. I know I wanted to replenish these two. So at the top, you go from your main dashboard, you go manage my offers. And then what you need to do is at the top, you click on replenish stock. So you're going to click on that and it's going to open up this tab on the right hand side of the screen where next to the product, you can select how many products you want to send to which DC. So if you are doing a lead time activation shipment, so this is when you have never sent stock to Takealot, the process will be exactly the same. You just have to send certain amounts to certain DCs so that Takealot can see you can provide this level of service that they are required to enable lead time onto your account. So for lead time activation shipments, all you need to do is you need to send one to Cape Town and two to Joburg. I'm not doing a lead time shipment, so I'm sending in the quantities that I feel is necessary and according to my T-Seller app, how much I need to send in to cover for me for a certain period of time. So I'm going to send in two to Cape Town and I'm going to send in four to Joburg. So you just click on the little arrows and you up the quantity. As you guys can see, this one is blocked for replenishment, means there's a insufficient demand, or this product was deactivated a while ago and now it's inactive and Takealot has blocked it. I see my other lavender cream is low on stock, so I want to top this up a little bit. There's only one in Joburg, so I'm going to send in additional two, and Cape Town there's zero, so I'm going to send in another two there as well. And then at the bottom, there is a create a shipment option, which you click on that button. It's going to load this page that's currently loading. And it's basically creating the shipment now in the backend, which says to Takealot, okay, this person is sending this stock to this DC and things like that. So this is your shipment names now. You can rename them. I don't really do that. I just keep them as there is. You can view your content, what's in there. You can see what products you have in it. And then you can create draft shipment. So once you've done that, it's just going to run a little bit, basically moving the shipment now from a replenishment to a draft. And then from a draft shipment, you need to move it to a confirmed shipment. Now, as soon as you do that, and this is very important to note, as soon as you move it from a draft to a confirmed shipment, you are not able to edit the contents of what is in that shipment. So if I go onto the shipment now, here's my Joburg shipment. I'm going to click on it. I can still go and I can still add products, but I don't want to because obviously I have set this. But if you are wanting to add more or deduct quantities, you can do that. And as soon as you click this mark is confirmed, which is the next step, you click confirm shipment, you just leave that as it is, then I'm not able to change anything anymore. Now, this part, if you guys are using our wholesaler called Source 7, where we do the fulfillment on your behalf, this is where you get all your labels and you need to send it to us so we can package the products for you. So you go to more, you download all product labels. It's going to pop this page up and then you have to click on download again. This is not going to download if you don't click on this. So if I click on download, it's going to run this little bar and it's basically downloading the labels now as needed to be packaged according to Takealot's rules. So this might take a bit of time. Sometimes it does fail. and you have to click download again here. It needs to be in a PDF. Sometimes it downloads in a Google format. Just click the button again and start the process from start. Then you also need to download your all product labels. You need to download your shipping label. You also need to download your shipping note. And then you send all three of those to us and we will package the product for you. If you're doing it yourself, obviously you guys are taking that and you need to get it printed, whether it's at a shop, at your house, at your warehouse, wherever you're doing it. Now, the next step is to go ahead and create a shipment on the courier, whatever courier you're using. We are using the Courier Guy. They are partnered with Takealot, so you do get a discount if you want to use their services. You need to do this with both shipments. You need to do Joburg and Cape Town, same process. So I'm going to head over to the Courier Guy account now, and then I'm going to show you guys how you create a shipment on the Courier Guy to send it to this DC right here that Takealot is saying we need to go to. This is the normal Joburg DC. And then I'm going to show you guys how to book the shipment in so that we are telling Takealot the Courier Guy is on its way and you need to give them a delivery slot so they can enter in the DC. Now that we have created the replenishment order on our Takealot portal, I quickly want to tell you guys about T-Seller. So T-Seller is a new app that our company has designed, and T-Seller is a Takealot selling software or Takealot selling app for iOS users. And this is exactly how I always know how to replenish my stock in time. T-Seller has functionalities of viewing your sales, editing your offers, checking your stock levels, have lifetime alerts. So even if my products are low on stock, I will get a notification which will make me aware in advance that my stock is running low and that I need to replenish it. You can also do your invoices on the app. So if you have any invoices, whether it's in your business, whether it's a Takealot invoice, and everything is linked with your Takealot API that Takealot gives, so everything is 100% secure. There's also so much more functionalities on the app. So if you want to go check it out, go to the App Store on iOS and then download the app. It's called T-Seller. There's a 2-week free trial, and let me know in the comment section how you guys find it. So I'm logged into my Courier Guy portal now, and I now need to create the shipment. So I'm going to go to shipments on the left-hand side, and on the top right, I'm going to click create shipment. You can just click confirm. We have a default address set in. This is going to be your house or wherever you are keeping the product and sending it from. If you're using Source 7, you're not going to worry about this step. You just need to know how to book it in, which will be the next section of the video. So this is your collection address. This is where Takealot's going to collect on the left-hand side. But on the right, that's where the important part is. We need to use this address that Takealot gives us. So we have this saved in our bookmark already. So I'm just going to click on it. And I'm going to automatically fulfill it. Make sure that the company name is Takealot because this is important. You get a discount if you do this. So make sure the company name is Takealot. And then at the bottom, just put in your dimensions. You can put base figures in. But obviously, if it's more than what you have put in, let's say the Courier Guy will charge you more as it's not accurate what you put in. Then you're going to click on next. This is a PO. So this is the PO number. You get this on your Takealot account. As you see in your shipment, there's my PO number right there. So you just copy that, you put it in there, and then you go to the next step. And then you click next again. If you want to add liability cover or anything like that, that's where you can do it right here. I don't worry about that. So just click next. And this is where you see all the different options of what shipping options there are available. I always choose LOF or the cheapest option. So this is always on the cheapest. And as you guys can see, the base rate is 100 Rand. But because we're using Takealot as the company name, there is a discount of 25 Rand, which leaves us with 75 Rand for the shipment. Then you're going to click on book shipment and it's going to give you a waybill number. I usually take this waybill, I just copy and paste it, and I put it in the tracking info on my shipment so that I never lose my tracking info. So then you can download the waybill from here and you will use it to package your product. You don't have to do this if you are using Source 7. This is not applying to you. So now we need to book in the shipment on Takealot so that we can let Takealot know, okay, this is the waybill, this is for what box it is, and you guys need to allocate a slot to the Courier Guy. And the way you do that is you click on book delivery right here, and then it's going to open up this right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into my account. If you guys are new to this and you've never booked in a shipment, the email is the email that you guys use to sign up to your seller portal. Your password, if you have not set it before, will be live at 123. If you have set it before, it will be most likely the same as your Takealot password. But if you haven't, live at 123 is the password. Then you're just going to click on sign in and then go to book delivery. And as you guys can see, here is both of my shipments that is under confirm. Please note, your shipments need to be under confirmed so that it will be showing on the booking portal. So I'm going to go to Joburg now because that one I have a waybill for already. I'm going to copy it, go to Joburg. I will deliver via Takealot Preferred Courier. There are other options if you guys are using that. You put in your waybill number, you choose the courier account that you are using. I'm using the Courier Guy. And then I say add selected shipments to shipment. And then this is where you need to now see, okay, is my courier collecting? Are they collected already? Or are they still about to collect? So if they have collected, you just say en route. If they haven't collected, say courier to collect. Doesn't really matter, not a big difference. And then you click on allocate to courier and you just confirm it. And that is how you book in the shipment. You need to do this for both POs, Joburg and Cape Town. And then one last step, you need to go back to the shipment and mark it as ship. And that is basically how you replenish all your stock whenever, whatever you want on Takealot so that you can get the most out of your account. So really important. You guys need to know how to do this. So if you didn't fully understand what's going on, rewind, watch it again, go step by step, maybe put it a bit slower, and then just make sure you understand it's really important and will add so much value to your Takealot business. Thanks for watching this video, everyone. And if you guys liked this type of content and you want to see more of Takealot selling content or anything regarding Takealot business in general, I'm going to be pushing a lot on content. I have a few more video ideas that I'm going to be releasing soon. So if you guys don't want to miss out, press the subscribe button and put on the bell notification. Go as well and follow my socials. You will see them all down below. And if you need any help, whether it's with T-Seller or growing your Takealot account, feel free to contact me with the link down below. I hope to see you guys in the next video.